Yahoo! Welcome back. Question 7 of the Math Quest 2012 Maths B, Chapter 8 AD. And when I see question 7, it's literally the same as question 6. Why didn't you not put that into question 6? Why make two questions separate? I have no idea. But let's just do it. Hey, practice makes. People want to say perfect, but one of my mentors told me that practice doesn't really make perfect. There's no such thing as perfect. Practice only makes better. Right? And you can always better your better. Alright. Before this get into a philosophy class, let's go back to maths. Okay. Alright, I have to graph the function first. As always, I will use decimals. And we'll go from there. Okay, here's the graph. Alright, I sort of see why they separated into a different question, because this is a bit different, right? So this is two sections. Alright, so we've got section 1 and we got section 2. Alright, and in both sections, the top function changes. Alright, so in section 1, this is the top function, which is our x cubed, and the bottom function is our x, y equal to x. Alright, but at section 2, the top function is y equal to x, and the bottom function is y equal to x cubed. Alright, so this is the biggest change. Wow. Alright, let's just find them. Alright. So integrate, so from -1 to 0. Alright, so these two, from these two distance. So from -1 to 0, we go top minus bottom. Integrated with respect to x. Now this is our section 1. Pluses, because we want to find out all the area between them. So between the two graphs, so we have the plus of section 2, which the section 2 starts from 0 to 1. And we go top minus bottom as well. And then integrate with respect to x. Alright, so this is section 2. Alright, so let's do it one by one. Alright. So this would equal to -1, 0. So top minus bottom will be our x cubed minus x. And then take out the brackets. Right? And then integrate. So this will be x to the power of 4 over 4 minus x squared over 2 from -1 to 0. Alright, let's sub the values in. So that would be 0 over part of the power of 4 over 4 minus 0 squared over 2. So everything becomes 0. Boom, boom, gone. Minus -1 to the power of 4 over 4 and minus -1 squared over 2. Right? Now, -1 to the power of 4 is 1. So it's 1 over 4 minus, now -1 squared is still 1. It's positive 1. So it's literally 1/4 minus 1/2. Remember the negative in front of our brackets here. So there's a negative sign there. So becomes, well, -1/4 minus 1/2. Do you want to do the primary school way? Let's do the primary school way. Over 2 times 2 times 2 equals to 1 over 4 minus 2 over 4. Wow. Big surprise. So is equal to -1 over 4, which is positive 1 over 4, a quarter. So this is your section A area, or section 1 area. Right? So we need to find our section 2 area now. Alright, let me rub this off. So, and write the section 1 area on there. So it would be 1/4. Alright. So section 2 is from 0 to 1. Top minus bottom. Oh, that's not what. We know what's top, we know what's bottom. So just x minus x cubed, right? So it's just x minus x cubed. Integrate with respect to x. Equal to. Let's break the bracket. And then integrate. So it becomes x squared over 2 minus x cubed. Or x to the 4 power over 4. From 0 to 1. Alright, let's sub in the values. So that is just 1 squared over 2 minus 1 to the power of 4 over 4 minus 0 squared over 2 minus n 0 to the power of 4 over 4. Boom, boom, gone. And then this is just literally just 1/2 minus 1/4. Alright. Look, we already did that before. Alright, we already did that before. It is 1/4. We know the answer is 1/4. So that tells you that is 1/4 as well. So sec 2 is 1/4 as well. So the total area is equal to 1/4 plus 1/4 equal to 2/4 equal 1/2. Boom, boom. 1/2. That's it. That's question A. Done. Alright. Let's go into question B. Alright, this is the graph for question B. Alright, this is a tricky one. As you can see, there's 2 sections. One is here. Another one is slightly here. Right? Because they still intersect at this point. So this is x3, x2, x1. Right? So remember and make sure you find all the intercepts before you think, okay, this is the section I'm going to calculate. Alright? So we've got a section 1 here. And a section 2 here. Alright, let's do it one by one. So, section 1. We integrate from 0 to 1. Top minus bottom. Integrate with respect to x is equal to. So now, okay, so I can see the color is, this one is the y equal to x3 x squared, which is our bottom one. Meaning that is the top one is the y equal to x cubed plus 2x. Alright. So the top, which is x cubed plus 2x minus the bottom one, which is 3x squared dx. Alright, expand the bracket. We'll begin x cubed plus 2x minus 3x squared. Alright, let's start integrating. So it will be x to the power of 4 over 4 plus 2x squared over 2. The 2 will cancel. Minus 3x cubed over 3. And the 3 will cancel from 0 to 1. And that is just x to the power of 4 over 4 plus x squared minus x cubed from 0 to 1. Alright, let's submit the numbers. So 1 to the power of 4 over 4 plus 1 squared minus 1 cubed. Or minus x 0 to the power of 4 over 4 plus 0 squared minus 0 to the power of 3. And then boom, 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 it's gone. The bottom bit, the last bit is gone. All right. So 1 to the power of 4 is 1 over 4 plus 1 squared is 1 minus 1 squared. 1 cubed is still 1. All right. And that is literally just 1/4. This is the section 1 area. Right? So we know that the section 1 area is 1/4. Alright, let's look for section 2. So section 2 is from, let me see, from 1 to 2. It's from 1 to 2, top minus bottom. Integrate with respect to x equal to, alright, let me rub off the ink before, see which one's on top. Alright, so we can see our top function is the y equal to 3x squared, and the bottom function is the y equal to x cubed minus plus 2x. Alright, let's go. So this is 3x squared minus x cubed plus 2x. Integrate with respect to x. Alright, let's break the bracket. And 1 to 2, 3x squared minus x cubed minus 2x. Differentiate, integrate with respect to x. Let's integrate. Pretty much the same as before, right? So this is just 3x cubed over 3. 3 is gone. Minus x to the power of 4 over 4. Minus 2x squared over 2. 2 is gone. From 1 to 2. Alright, so that is literally just x cubed minus x to the power of 4 over 4 minus x squared. Right, from 1 to 2. Alright, let's sub in the values. So it's equal to 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 4 over 4 minus 2 squared. Right? Or minus 1 to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 4 over 4 minus 1 square. Alright, so 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Minus 2 to the power of 4 would be, what do you call 16, right? 16 divided by 4 is 4, minus 4. And this bit is minus, oh, so it's just 2 squared, just minus 4. That's 4, it's minus 4. So this 8 minus 4 become all zeros, all gone in there. Because it's equal to 0. And then minus, so 1 cubed is 1, minus 1 to the power of 4 is 1, so 1 over 4, minus 1 squared is just 1. Alright, so we got 1 minus 1 is gone. So literally we got negative 1/4, which become positive 1/4. So this is the section 2 area. Right? So let's go back. So therefore, total area equal to 1/4 plus 1/4. Oh my god, is 1/2 again. So this is the answer. Radio. So tricky little graph. Alright, so this is question 7. Alright, so the difference between question 7 and question 6 is question 7 you usually find 2 different area, section 8, section 1 and section 2, and these two section will usually have a different top function and a different bottom function. So just be aware of it. Alright, as long as you can identify the x coordinate, and then do it the way that I do, top minus bottom, and from the lowest x domain at the bottom, at the bottom of the integral sign, and higher x value on the top of the integral sign, and that should be fine. Alright, that's it. That's question 7 done. Alright, that's 15 minutes, Lily. Okay, so let's head into a commercial break, and we come back with question 8.